An outbreak of pertussis, or whooping cough, has infected 13 students so far in eastern Long Island, officials said. Pertussis is a highly contagious bacterial disease that causes uncontrollable and violent coughing and sometimes vomiting. More serious cases may cause subconjunctival hemorrhages, rib fractures, incontinence and hernias, and in some cases, death. In healthy individuals, hair-like cilia lining the inner sides of the respiratory tract help remove debris from the lungs. When pertussis bacteria enters the lungs, a protein on the exterior binds to the cilia, releasing a toxin that disables the cilia. As debris accumulates, the victim is sent into a coughing fit. When this occurs, the bacteria is released into the air and may infect people nearby.